Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my favorite products which I've been loving in the past month and I've been using a lot. So there are in total 9 to 10 products. If you guys want to know what all I have been loving in the month of August, then please keep on watching the video. So the first product has been with me for quite some time now. I've been recently started using it. So it is this CoverPot Concealer by Cuffs and Lashes. This is how it looks like. And I'm in the shade Cool Tan 07. I ordered this concealer 2 months back, I think. But this is the third or fourth time I've used this concealer. So this is a highlighting shade for me. And they have wide variety of shade range. It gives a full coverage. It doesn't dry out your under eyes. I really like this and I'm really enjoying using this. This is a perfect shade for me, by the way. It is just for rupees 225. I really like it. So the next product which I have in here with me is a lipstick. Favorites video is incomplete without a lipstick, and this time I have this lipstick from the Nykaa's Mattelicious Lip Crayon range. It is in the shade Lacy Luck number 10 and this is a beautiful nude shade. This is how the shade looks like. It is a pink nude shade which will look gorgeous on so many skin tones. Also own Jade Rose from the same range and I love that lipstick. This is again one of my favorite. I've been literally wearing it a lot. Moving on, we have something from Stay Quirky Blush and is in the shade Apricot Blush. This is such a beautiful blush, you guys. I own 3 of the Stay Quirky blushes and मैंने तीनों का swatch video भी डाला है अपने YouTube पे and also on my Instagram. This shade will again suit so many skin tones and I really like this shade. These blushes are so pigmented. This shade in particular has a bit of shimmer in it. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा chunky shimmer particles नहीं है. It's really fine shimmer particles जो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे दिखते नहीं आते आपके skin पे, but it looks beautiful on the cheeks. And I really enjoy using this blush a lot. Next makeup product which I have in here with me is this. It is from Swiss Beauty. It is their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I got this recently in the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I had the entire haul video on my YouTube channel. मैंने ये निधि कटियार को यूज करते हुए काफी टाइम देखा था and I got this primer from her suggestion only. I got the shade Golden Tint. Yes, it is the shade Golden Tint. And it is such a beautiful hydrating primer. Many people say that it is a dupe of MAC as well, MAC Stroke Cream, but I don't own that, so I can't say. This gives such a nice shine to your face. It is so creamy. What I like to do is कि मैं इसको पूरे face पे नहीं apply करती हूँ. I just apply it on my high points. यहाँ पे on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and it looks so beautiful. It feels कि your skin is glowing from within. आपको ये वैसा glow provide करती है. ये I guess 2 और shade आते हैं. एक pink करके कुछ है and the other one is silver. And I'm really enjoying using this primer. This is really beautiful and for the price which you are paying, it is totally worth it. Alright, moving on, we are just left with the last one makeup product which has become my most favorite. I'm talking about K by Katrina's highlighter. First of all, I love the packaging of this highlighter. This is such a beautiful packaging. This is the shade Frosted Eyes. This is such a different and beautiful shade. I really like it. जब मैं ये order कर रही थी, I thought कि ये shade मेरे पे suit नहीं करेगा, but this looks so beautiful on my skin and this is such a gorgeous highlighter, you guys. It is not on your face highlighter. You can definitely build it up. It is an amazing highlighter. इसमें बहुत सारे shades available है. So if you're looking for a good highlighter, you can definitely check this one out. You can try their other shades as well. This is a bit costly. I won't say that it is really affordable. It's around $7.99 or $7.50, something of that sort. If you're looking for other highlighters which are affordable, you can definitely try out Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. I mean, that is bomb. That is very nice. And also Wet n Wild highlighter. But this baby right here has my heart. Moving on, we have 2 products from Plum and I am hooked with these products. I use them daily. I love these products. I'm talking about this Plum Body Loving Body Oil. You're looking for a good body oil which will hydrate your skin plus which will not feel chipchipa and which smells divine. Please and buy this one. ये इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I really like this. It smells so nice. अब आपकी स्किन डैम्प है, आप उसी टाइम पे इसको अप्लाई करो so that it applies even more nicely, and this is really nice. The next product is from the same range, and it is their body mist. This body mist is again the same variant as I told you, vanilla vibes, and it is such a nice body mist. And the best part about this body mist is that the smell lasts for a decent amount of time. 4 से 5 घंटे रह जाती है इसकी smell. Really like layering both of these, तो वो smell even ज़्यादा देर तक रहती है. Love this body mist. We have just one hair care product and then we can move on to food. This is not a new purchase. I've been using it since a very long time now. लेकिन बीच में मैंने यूज करना बंद कर दिया था इसको. But recently started using it again, and it is the L'Oreal Absolute Repair hair mask. This is how it looks like. I love this hair mask. की क्वांटिटी काफी अच्छी है. I use the same range का shampoo as well, so I use it as a duo. And this is not affordable, okay? This is for rupees 820. Not affordable, but this is worth your every single penny. It literally, if you have dry hair, if you have frizzy hair, if you have hair that feels lifeless, which doesn't have any shine, please try this one. And I've seen a considerable amount of difference in my hairs. मैं पुणे शिफ्ट हुई थी, तो obviously weather change हुआ था कलकत्ता से पुणे, and पानी भी चेंज हुआ था, and मेरे बाल इतने खराब हो गए थे, फ्रिजी हो गए थे, इतने डल और लाइफलेस लगते थे. But since the time I've started using this one, I'm seeing the difference in my hairs. It is really nice. Right, we are just left with the last two products, and these are food items. The first food item which I have in here with me is this. It is the cheddar cheese powder. Can you see we have already used half of it, and ये ज़्यादा टाइम पहले नहीं आएगी, बस I guess ये बस 1 महीने पहले ही आया है. Use it in your popcorn. आप इसको अपने फ्रेंच फ्राइज के साथ यूज कर सकते हो. It is so nice. For the longest time I've been looking for a good cheese powder. It is from the brand Artha Natural. I'll link it in the description box below. Popcorn बनाने के बाद में I just sprinkle it all over my popcorn, and ये literally वो PVR की popcorn वाली feeling देता है. इतना tasty लगता है. Really enjoying this. So if you are looking for a good cheese powder for your popcorns or your fries or anything, you should definitely check this one out. Final product which I have here with me are these Korean noodles. These are the veg variant. I got it from Amazon, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I got it from Amazon. It is a pack of 5, and मैंने 2 already खा लिया है. This is so nice, you guys. इतना spicy है ये. This is super spicy variant, okay. इसमें मैंने 2x spicy भी एक बार try किया, but उस time 2x spicy available नहीं था. But this is also very spicy, and it is so nice. If you're not able to get it on Amazon, I'll also link an Instagram page जहाँ पे Korean food और Korean snacks available है, तो आप वहाँ पे भी check out कर सकते हो. If you're fond of spicy food, not tried any Korean food till now, I would really suggest you go for this one. It is really nice. आपको काफी अच्छा लगेगा. So yes guys, with this I finished my August favorites video. I really hope you guys enjoy watching it. Do let me know in the comments down below आपको और किस टाइप की वीडियोस देखने का मन है. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Go and follow me on my Instagram as well. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.